Jax. Jax, what you doing? He's watching you, Alyssa. He wants his mommy. Say, mommy. I'm getting pissed. Jax? What is it, Jax? Got some scary stuff on the TV here. Jax? You hungry? You want some food? You want some food? You do? You want some food? Jax? Fixing to jump again. Trying to talk. Look at him. Jax, what you doing, Jax? Come here. Jax, come here. Yes, we whistle at him. He does little dog things. He figures he quit doing it while I record. Jax, there he goes. Trying to get my daughter that don't want to be in the film. He's like, what are you doing? Give me some food or something. He's so mad. He don't get it. What is it, Jax? Yeah, I know. You gonna break my stuff on the TV? Oh no. She done let the little demon dog in. Betsy, no. Betsy don't like Jax at all. We ain't had Jax long. And she hates him. She's very jealous. She hates every other animal. Can't get a hold of my nerves are shaking. I know this is long and drawn out. We're bored. I have no internet. I'm going to put this on YouTube as soon as I get internet again. Betsy, come here. Come here and tell Mommy what's going on. She got that cat in here. She got that cat in here. You trying to get on the bed? What you doing, you? Is that a cat? She got that cat in here. You want to talk about it? Tell me about it. Sing a song. No, you sing a song. Whoa. Sing a song for Mommy. Look at Mommy. Say, I love you. I love you. I'm talking to you, Betsy. Betsy. Come here. Come to Mommy. You come to Mommy. I'm your Mommy. I'm your Mommy. Yeah. Yeah, what's going on? What's going on around here? That cat doing in here? What's going on? You trying to talk? Yeah, what is it? You don't talk about it? Oh, you want to be rubbed. Well, I guess we'll end this. See you guys later.